Sure, make glad say make come and stay. I forgive you and we come and move in with you. I'm really grateful. I have to say thank you. I have to put it to words and say thank you, you know? Yeah, man. You do
You're
good.
welcome. Anyway, me forgive you. You're my sister. And me understanding people get ignorant and then get mad. They not think twice. They just start anything and do anything. You understand? So, me forgive you. Me can't allow you, my niece, to sleep out the door. Remember saying I have nobody to go to? And you don't have nowhere else more than right here. So me and sister, me can give you man. Me forgot about that. Don't worry yourself.
Thank you. May I say sorry, cause you know when my head chip and my mouth go before my brain. I mean I no respect. I say things me no mean. I say things me mean. I say things that hurt. And you just really want to say, me quick, you know, me thank you for forgiving me. Me thank you for me quick fresh start and everything.
But I'm going to tell you something though. Charmaine, you see, if something piss you off, and you see like you get too ignorant, think first.
Me think, you know.
Because I say, if in some family, so you do to me. You see the amount of people, them when they tell me, say, oh, you have me near my road and I spread romance family. If it did go so, it wouldn't so bad, but I'm sure like you tell, man.
Alright, things so you say you forget about it, man.
You
things so you forget about it, man.
And something I tell you. You see, all the way you do, I'm not quarreling, if you listen more while, because if you did listen to me first time, they split up when me did split up, you go struggle. It wouldn't happen. So me I tell you now, so the next time if you feel like you get pissed off too when somebody say, when me say, whosoever say, think first.
But remember say you did say certain things, you know, it's not just me one, you know? And not just me one. Yes. It take two for fight, and you fight back with me.
Me I tell you,
and me are the baby.
Me understand, but me I tell you, say, you better, you didn't make me sit down and discuss the matter. And try to solve the problem, whatever problem it may be. Me not even remember because one if I sit in a one. So it better we did sit down and try and solve the problem rather than we make it get escalate and everybody in the area know about it. Say two sisters up there so are, you know, sound good. You know when we look into it and say it's sound good and at this race and shame we call them for ourselves when you move out and gone. Everybody come. Sorry Nina. And don't tell me the day. I mean, you say your sister up there now, one big piece of argument or something.
I love how not gonna bring people argument to see.
All in a bus me there, me I take taxi go a serve. And me in at the bus. And the person that we are talking about in this race, they don't know me, you know. And if you hear all them a slaughter me and you, just to win.
And then add on and take off. Them for come out of people business, man.
Let me tell you something. You see, things like that, me not like it. Next time, may talk about whatever we agree about. You understand me? Whatever consist it may be, see if you can calm down your temper, because your temper too high.
But it worked both ways, both sis. Because remember, say you are the bigger sister, you know.
Yeah, but you not listen to me.
You not talk to me more time. More time, you just shout at me and shout at me. I mean, I like
the reason why me yell on you, why me have to shout, because you don't listen. You see more while if you listen to me. If you see other man the way you have, you see if you did a listen to
Nobody
me.
even talk about that trigger foot horses.
If you did listen to me from the beginning as your elderly sister, you see, when the two you know, if you have to come back here so hard with me, your sister, me not go turn you out. It wouldn't happen. You that day here so, go and come. Him wouldn't have to put you out and call down disgrace and shame for it.
But
You know
the
what
mouth
say the come back?
sweet, sis. Me tell you, so the mouth sweet. And everything's sweeter.
Shannon,
Why?
you know say did go come
The
back.
grass green on the other side for true, you know, sis. The grass green on the other side for true. And then you go over there and realize a Bakerwich. That's true.
No, the courage by you have to come back. But don't worry yourself because you're so. Your sister play same with the whole of your family play same way. Your place is my place is your place. But don't worry about it. As me tell you, me forgive you. But you see that man the way you have, you don't need to go back to him. You need to left him. If you not left him yet, left him. And if you left him, no go back to him. You want me say, my mommy don't know if you not left him. But if you left him, don't go back to him. And if you not left him yet, plan to left him because that man is a dirty dog.
Spicy can hurt me hard, you know. I never feel safe. Right. I never know, so this would have come down on me, you know. And if it wasn't for you, God bless you, sis.
We all make mistakes, you know, and sometimes we have to make the mistake to understand yourself. Anyway, where Cherry there?
She outside.
Cherry!
Yes, mommy.
Come here. What yes, mommy, you know long minutes I wait for you.
Bring your cousin with you too. Who on the tour now?
Come, girl, come.
Come to have a girl talk. Come, woman time.
Sit down in the bed. Sit down. Sit down on some of these. What's going on with you? Come here some of that. Alright, make sure go inside our mother. Riri,
Yeah.
I want to hear about you. How your name stink out the road, so? You feel saying your mother one? Me and your mother are two sisters. Let me tell you if you never know from now.
What me do?
What you mean, what you do? Where you and boy gone? A party?
Me?
I don't make your mother know.
You sure say me?
No. I know you. And me. And me, I feel me name them a call. Put me a big woman. So when they call
about that.
me
When
name
me and boy got party.
So Riri,
Yeah.
I know you did in the blue jeans, battery rider shorts with the white belly skin blouse. Me remember the day me and your mother go downtown in a stop go buy that. And our money did shot and I help her buy
when you
it.
see me go,
She don't know. You trick her because me ask her for
So
you.
which day?
I call her on the phone and ask, what you mean? Friday night, last week Friday after 11.
When
They
you
see
tell me, say you gonna Felicia house gonna study?
I study, me go study.
You tell me, say you gonna Felicia gonna study?
Me serious, I study, me go study, me not go nowhere.
So I lie, my sister tell.
Me not know what she talk about.
So I know you near Riri.
Yeah.
And a nice pretty white top there with me and your sister buy. In a craft market, me see they have some nice sexy blouse and a nice t-shirts. I know you did in there.
I don't mean.
Yes, let me tell you something now. Me niece, me not hate you. Me love you dearly. But guess what? You know why me believe the person who tell me? Because then take a picture, turn up with one big old dirty stinking man who can be your father. Yeah,
Show me the picture. Show me this picture,
no, he
sis.
just have a friend phone. So when they call her,
Big
or
man.
if me see her again.
Big man at that. Boyfriend,
No,
but I'm not
baby,
too bad, but big
no, but
man.
no yet. No,
How old him be?
Hold on, no, me I gonna know that. Remember, I know me see her, you know.
But you see the picture.
Me can't know how old the man be. But you can say a big man can be our father, but anyway.
God.
But look
I
here.
not tell for me, I don't mean.
Maybe I'm not looking man, they look here. Just speak it truth and done. I can somebody in the ask her for, or whatever. And I can look in the look her too. We don't know. She just needs to speak the truth. But next time when they come out here, yeah, cause anything could have happened to you. You need to
You have to
tell your
use
mother.
your head, Ree. You
Make
have
your
to
mother
use
know
your
which part
head.
today.
Jesus Christ, anything could have happened. Big man.
Make your mother know where you what there. Make your mother know where you is. Make she know where you're there. Because you can put yourself in a problem. No matter look on her, because you and her did it, and you know say she not gonna tell no lie on you. I hear me here, it's Finker Road. Please me, I beg you. You do it already, we not go quarrel for you. We not curse you. Just I tell us that anyway they go make your mother aware of where you're going. You understand?
Yeah.
No, yes, auntie, you out of that.
Yes, auntie.
Look at her when you're talking to her. You're not, isn't that you hear her talk to you?
Cherry,
Yes, mama.
it won't our cousin. Me no need she for their east and you for their west. Uno both living at the same place, the same roof uno under. Anywhere she they go, make sure so you know.
Yes.
Riri, anywhere Cherry they go, you need to know that the two uno fit there.
Yeah.
That's if I no can help on one another in case anything happens. You understand?
Yes, auntie.
Okay.
We're all a woman here. We all have to stick together because the world not nice.
Yes, it's a room.
Okay.
So glad that me no want no man. Me not ready for man.
We're not for ready for man. We're not for
No,
live on a life.
No, listen, me not go say
Alright,
she and
we
the
not-
man there, you know. Me never say, cause they never tell me that. So me not tell them like on her. Them say they see she, you know, one party when they keep somewhere in a Negril after 11 at night or 11 o'clock, some 11 something. With one big man stand upside her. They not tell me say they see she and the man they talk. They not say she and the man never they talk or then they talk. They just see the two of them turn up. So we don't know.
So
But
when
we
you
don't get
get work
further.
at night, you're their party.
But then the face to face. On the picture, when me see, one stand up there, so one stand up there, so. But then never they too close. So me don't know if I just stand up there and turn up and people see and want to spread propaganda upon her. You know, rumor, or whatever. Too, they know say our auntie head sick. But anyway, maybe she never did do nothing.
Alright.
So we can give her a chance.
Give the benefit of the doubt.
Because me's not your mother, but I am your auntie. I'm responsible for you too. The whole of we live under the same roof and you need to behave yourself. You hear what me say?
Yes, auntie.
And this go for you too, you know.
Yes,
you need to behave yourself.
Yeah, mommy, me
So
behave
nobody
myself.
thinks that to me and your mother, you feel so you can go do things and really not do what you feel do. And so you go.
Me no want. No man until me reach 25.
Okay.
No.
Before I want to go and back around in the room and go look for something to eat, cause right now me I get hungry.
Alright.
Yes.
Using a head. If you use your head in this life, don't make the same mistakes we did. You remember when we were just younger? Lord God. Me no want them turn out fool like we for man, you know.
Right now, you know what sis? Listen what me I say. We need to sit down and talk to them more often. You know why? They're young. Them are grow up. They're still done adult. And we have to go start tell them about sex. They are ready. They still in period. We have to go tell them about protection. Not take it for joke, you know.
Me know.
Because no care how we parents say, no, I no boyfriend yet. Cause I no time yet. Then they find somehow or some ways and means to go have sex with them. So guess what we are going to do now? Go down a clinic. Condom free down there. You're free.
You want to think about that?
No, learn. I'm
Me too young for turn granny, you know. Me too young for turn no granny.
Well, this
We're
is
that
the problem.
killer.
No, listen, no killing that.
No turn no granny.
No, not talk about no killing yourself. Listen. They know you're not ready to turn on granny. They're young, but they are natural. The things that we give them to eat. They feel like I said, them body well developed figure have man. When we think they not have sex, them are either have sex. So it better we tell them about condom. We need to tell them how to protect themselves because then we go do it. And so they don't understand about protection and then something then when we look at baby, so it better we make them know about protection from now. Else, you see that grand pitney the way they talk about, you don't want?
Me no want that.
Okay, so nobody can chat about, me don't want a grand pitney, so she don't feel no sex. When you tell them don't do it at that time, then go do it. So all we have to do is sit down and counsel them. Make we be their guidance counselor. As two mother, who sister, with two pitney, make we need to tell we kids them at home how they to protect themselves when they go. It's not like we are sending them to go have sex, you know.
That's true.
We don't want them to do it, but then still they hide and do it, so better we teach them more protection.
Look how we
because remember say, you know, do I talk about you don't want no grand pitney, you know, a baby, and when you talk about you don't want come yet, you know. Because no grandmother before time. What about disease?
Lord God.
You have all different type of diseases out there. Master?
That's true.
Guess what? Me and you, we continue the conversation
Yeah,
and
man.
look more. Guess what? Me and go in their room.
Yeah.
I'm going to look where they go.
Yeah, man.
Guess what?
Yeah, man. I remember how much window we used to climb through.
You see that conversation? I remember to we'll continue. You know, don't it?
Yeah, man.
The topic is protection. And we have to talk to them.
So we can't make them do
They're
what we used to do. How we used to wild.
They're young and deviated. And they want this iPhone, burger, KFC, and this and that. So we have to go work hard to support the
We have
people.
to work
If you
together.
don't give them,
Mm-hmm.
then of course they go get it.
True, we have to work together with
Anyway,
this.
never run a room, run yourself.
Alright, thank you, sis. Let's straighten up the bit here. True, she talking, you know. That's to go work for time talk to them. But you know what? Grab picnic, come on. Mm-hmm.
Girl! Wow! Girl, you don't know what time we really believe to sleep a Felicia.
Girl, come on, come like you talk to me back.
Me say, you don't know what mommy really believes to Felicia you will sleep.
Good. Good one. Girl, told you that drink me name, know you that remember of the thing.
Girl, remember?
Good man. So no, I free now.
You know, say, me there. Me girl, we mash up a party.
Girl.
Girl, me ask you when I tell you one little spooky, you know.
So,
Yeah, we're not talking about.
we never talk about nothing really. We just talk about the phone case.
So, I said,
Nice.
me on your phone case, alright? And the one phone case you always have, baby.
Oh, at first me I see it. I remember through a day like.
Oh, so I'm going with you now. Me there here.
Just sitting down taking cool breeze.
So, girl, I want my got things are going over here. Sometimes
Yeah,
you can't
yeah,
go over here. This man in here, he said she got a party on Friday.
Me don't know about that girl.
We did the Felicia yard at the study. Yeah, that one. Me know that you tell mommy say.
Yeah.
So I say, oh, come here, say, who give mommy them news and they'll tell about they have picture with her girl.
I don't know about that girl. One time we had study, it's true that kill we.
How tell you name Felicia?
Me and her got Felicia yard.
So now study say.
School.
History.
Girl.
You know what history? Girl, me go over.
Alright, girl.
Come here, go over.
Lisa, me come go through.
Bye-bye.
I tell me that I say me a go along, so.
Say this don't come back. Are you here, bye?
No, pass me a pass until me tell me just sit down and take a look on cool off. Up me a go right
Come
now.
on, now.
We a go over.
Yes, alright, now me can't take mommy and auntie, so they just hurt up my head.
That's all they do. So hold on there. When we did pass it early on to them, we see you cock up on a bike. Huh?
And what problem? You see me cock up on a bike and now me dip on a tree stump. What problem?
No. But we just say, no, for your bike.
Did you tell us you my bike?
Mama, you sit down on that the bike, they would think say I for you.
Oh, so that means that when you take bike taxi, how you sit down on it, it look like a fear.
No, not really, because somebody ride it. But anyway, I know that matter one now. You take me now see you one night at a party, a Friday night. Yes, Friday night as a young girl. What you?
Oh, so you rat out for your daughter.
So you want to tell me say my
So you want to tell me say, you as a father, go inform for your little daughter?
So my daughter did it. She didn't hide me then.
No man, you see people child but you're not gonna see yours.
Okay. No, me know where she get its thinking attitude from.
No, there's no stinking attitude right here.
Let me tell you something. I don't, you see, funny mama move out with her. Me no business with them anymore, you know.
So what your business with me?
Me not see you.
So yeah, come talk now.
So what wrong with you if we talk?
No, if you're business about your daughter, and if you're business about the next man's daughter.
No, listen. If you can chain the next man's daughter, you can chain your own. Right now, me can't chain my own. My own come like a dragon.
No, you're one pile out on you, you know. That's why you never try to chain the next man's daughter.
That we don't know. You see, we don't know young gal. No, the con man, thief man, rob man, scam man. See, I feel a big no, you know.
Yeah, new hairstyle. Yeah, help me out.
Who?
You.
Who, you?
You never see me Friday night, and I feel like you want to give me some
I don't
money.
like short girl. Short girl is not a qualification. I don't like it. Uno is a little thief. All you do to the shot and the man open up the man now look down cause the man head over on head and start pick the man pocket.
Then you're not feeling to know so we have pick your pocket.
Oh yeah, we gonna do that.
She say man a fool.
Shut him out. Shut him out. When you say man a fool, don't specify as man a fool. Say some man are fool.
All males are fool.
Some of the wicked and some of the wicked would have shut up with fire the same. And then,
If you better you go on where you go and make me sit down and look my hairstyle money, you hear? Just go on
go
where you
look at
dig.
job. I go back in a school and get good education.
How me I get job without subject?
Mama, sorry if you call you mama. Look a girl or big girl you want big. You don't need subject to get certain job. You can't check. Huh? You
Huh?
can't check.
With my finger?
It no matter. You don't know English.
Not really.
You can take up a machine and go chop people yard. Do like me. Do pipe in them. Fix pipe. Chop yard.
I said me go chop myself. I'm one how me chop.
Back there.
How me I chop people yard and for me one like that?
It don't really matter. You know go chop your own because you don't have no money for it. But if you go up people you have to chop and see the money what you make, you start chop everybody yard. Money depend chop yard. Yeah man yard.
Hungry me hungry and no money.
Big happen.
Yeah.
The family.
Yeah, ask if I can offer me some
Me see
money.
you in a party, see how yeah. The money that when you go a party with, could have buy your food. Remember me tell her that.
You have to drink and enjoy myself. You see me young.
Listen now.
Well, sis, you did think about what you're saying now. And you're right. If you sit down and talk to the girls every group, may you remember how we did stay when we
Funny.
just the right person wants to.
I know if I feel that they walk, you take a walk because the horse hot. Yeah, so I'll stretch your legs then.
Where you go?
You just have to walk and come back.
Just walk and come back.
Yeah, because it was hot.
Yeah, go to Sherry.
Yeah, I'll walk.
Alright.
That's first.
Alright, she's the two of you I go.
I say the man a baby, you know. They can take a walk, man, but just be careful on the road.
Yeah.
And do me the big no. Riri.
Listen to your auntie.
Hello.
Yes, Auntie.
Sherry.
Yes,
You are Riri. Remember that you me not call your first name with it on your birth certificate. You act like you're not here when you're saying.
Yeah, here we are, Auntie.
Okay. If you want to can't go on. No problem. We're not no prisoner. We're not big girls. We don't understand the right from wrong. So no do me a big girl. Nobody put yourself in no problem on you there.
Right, but
Alright.
stick a pin, sis. Where your bottoms there? I just shirt you
No,
back.
I'm cool.
No she have on shorts.
Oh.
So just pull it down.
You make sure you pull it down, please and thanks.
Okay. Alright, she look alright. But we no can go on.
Alright.
And make sure so no put yourself in no problem.
Tomorrow,
Alright,
I'm
Alright,
going
go with that.
to run come back.
Alright, walk
Alright,
good.
Auntie. Yeah,
Alright.
later, Auntie. Later,
Alright, walk good.
Okay.
What left me so?
Walk up, you put step girl. Come girl.
We are play.
They are step up supermarket. To the man me have been in real life right now.
Me I said too.
So,
There.
so you look so.
How me look? Tell me how me look.
Uglier than you, Jal. So, girl.
There. Me not have a time for 20, you know.
So, what are you do tomorrow night?
You know, so we keep with me, I go study. Because we have a math exam I come up, you know.
Yeah.
Which math exam that I don't know about? You know, in our class, no love. But me don't know that because I have friends in our class. When they ever study, how fast not go study over here? If we get to we have CXC I come up, so we not must study. No, we are good on our friend. Which friend that?
Felicia.
Every day you no got Felicia yard. You vexed?
You come like you now know if you go.
Me have places can go.
Then go on, no, mama.
But me not understand. Every time you left out a yard and say you got Felicia, you ever end up somewhere else. People ever see you somewhere else.
So you ever see me end up
never
somewhere
see
else?
me. People ever complain to mommy.
What about your problem? Not what about mine. What about your
You can't
business
stop people
while?
from talk.
Mike, me I say better not top guy Felicia yard and come over here and come study. Why no
We can't study about, you have laptop?
No, we don't have laptop. Felicia have laptop?
Yeah. You have
I
Wi-Fi?
think we are going to Felicia go study.
You have Wi-Fi?
Mommy have a plan on her phone.
Don't move too slow. Can't believe that right
We
now.
have too much excuse. A whole for reason did there where we can't study over here. There's no laptop and no Wi-Fi.
And we can't study in a night.
Felicia go go study. Where go down Felicia go study?
Maths.
Maths. Oh. Okay. Me realize every time I want to go Felicia, yeah, and me can't come Felicia. So why me I come then?
Yeah,
Study too.
where you study for?
Maths, he said maths, so I study for me, I come study for me.
No, different maths you get. You can't study
Me they come down there. Why no I can't go Felicia?
I can't different maths we are study. Me and I said to
No,
her.
your business, me want to learn your math stuff. Me want to learn your math stuff. Me want to come down there. Me want to meet Felicia. Because every day you talk about
So who tells you Felicia want to meet you?
That me I said.
This is the way. See, if you want to come here, you have to book it. You have to book your apartment a week before.
Apartment, no?
Yes, you have to book it a week before. You can't go come
I
again.
like one library. But I'm not really a library yard.
Yes, where we get snacks and things. So you have to book it early so your mother know if you buy food for you. Because you love your belly, you know, your food little
No,
bit
me not
already.
have to eat. Me want to meet Felicia. Because every day you go Felicia yard, you people always say, you know, say me see your daughter at a party, then me see your daughter over there. So I be there me here.
A party you want to go?
Me no want to go a party. You go a party?
You see me I got a party.
Okay, then say after
Yeah,
party
yeah,
want
people
go.
are say things. That don't mean say it goes so.
Well, me believe them.
Maybe people look like me.
Can't stop an idiot from believe people are road.
Yeah, the idiot kind of thing. You want to try fool me?
Yeah,
Me
fool
know say
yourself.
nobody no know Felicia. Don't can't tell me no idiot, you know.
Come on.
No, me no know that Felicia.
You the right to say fool yourself.
How me a fool myself? Tell me, Miss Bright.
You want to meet somebody when you want to meet you.
Because me a sure say Felicia is not real. You know, too lie.
No, because she fake. She fake. I hear she fake. You're freaking.
You real?
Come here.
Girl, help me now, girl!
No, my friend. Sit down. Wait, and off of me head. You know, I see every topic. When me go company where I grab my friend in her head. What wrong with you? She a feisty with me. I told me can't cause me go and grab her.
If you didn't really hear the big so.
If I didn't read them out to the stinks, I'm going to you come out there far. Me don't argue with them. I can't go up the road.
Gone.
Why time? Why time? I'm afraid no.
117.
Oh, me can't go up the road.
Where you going to do?
Look for Felicia.
Then you say she not real.
14.
Girl,
So me not trust me.
yeah, so you be careful, you know. Remember, say Felicia not real for true, you know. And if she say Felicia not real, something not
My
right.
dad go say.
Girl,
Anyways, me not so trust her because I want to look silly.
girl, one over first. Don't make she reach over before you, yeah?
True, me I go back.
Later.
Oh boy.
What's your papa? How
How are you doing, Jesse?
How walk me a walk?
So me that say.
Don't ever ask me about she. You know what she did? You know what she did? I don't see her.
I want to chase the bell that thing.
Yeah, man. Be a parent she give.
I know see I don't your mother me fi go fix the pipe, but me not ready yet. I'm tired, man.
Oh, so can I beg your money?
What you say?
Can I beg your money?
I know see me not no money for me, I know, but me have money for yard. You have to come for yard with me. Can give the money.
She said, I'm money for you, I have to come here to get the money.
Me not know what me do with money. Yeah.
Walk up and road so you can buy things in the company, ready me where you do with money.
No, me not walk up and down pan road with money like that. I have to secure some. Me can't carry everything go a bank a thief. So I have to secure some of my yard and me give bank the what left.
Alright, me wait for you to settle good then.
No man, you can't wait for me like that. So we have to go up a yard, get the money, and we have some other things I want to deal with at the same time. So you can just go and deal with them there. For sure, I'm serious. Me this a man going for myself. For sure, I'm serious. Come on, we go.
Buy it if I know.
Buy what for now? I bite your box. How you feel bite it now? When you bite it now, you're not going to done before you reach and you go and turn back. Go and smell it. Come on. You can go and smell the mango. Smell good, not you? Good.
It smells sweet.
Yeah.
So, girl, where you go look so?
Girl, up here with me there, girl, you know long me over.
Girl, you go over 120 and over 245 and you come back on the road.
Girl, me know long me over here that we upon cherry if you come back. Ah no.
Cherry don't come back.
no, Cherry, no, Richard, yeah.
A Trina, cause she not pass me as either.
So they go up the board, go see how who she up the way, so I soon come back.
Alright. Gonna come tell me the drama.
See? That was simple thing, man. Simple and easy. Yeah, I get more mango. Jesus.
Where you come from?
I know my own big man. What that
You don't remember that way upon you?
Where pa me for? Me go somewhere?
Where you and my father they come from?
Me know my own big man. What that concern you?
Hello. Don't call me name in your mouth.
Me call your name father? You not even deserve the name father. You is a sperm's donor.
Are your mother teach you? Are your mother... I'm going to tell you something. Look, hey, listen. Listen, you know, right to me cuss me pitney. But me I tell you this. Do not call me a sperm donor.
Why? You not take care of me. You not mind me. When last I buy me one sweetie? Okay. You have... Where you are come from? Where they come from? Up the road up there so with my father. You not trust you with my father, you know?
Me not trust you, boy. You there go about Felicia. I'm not busy about your business, you know. Stop watching me. I'm my own big old man. Me get to do what I want to do. I'm 18. Me get to do what I want to do.
It don't really matter.
Hey, when you watching your business for?
Twice your age. That's what I need for
So you tell me saying twice
Clock
me.
that. Clock that in your brain. Clock it.
You
So
know,
you clock near ginger
you're
fly
gonna
head.
your mother pipe. So take care of yourself.
So you touch her.
I just fix her blood for her.
She, what go on? You.
Anyway, bro.
Listen to me go down.
Yeah, what?
Me go warn them boy. You they jump too much.
Maybe buy me a jump. What me a jump with Riri?
You jump.
What me a jump with?
Relax.
What me a
You
do?
slow down your motion. You move too speedy. You need to slow down. So come on, we go down.
Listen to me tell you this from right here right now. Don't go there go call up my name to nobody. You know see nothing here, sir. And me never do nothing. You can tell me your father is twice my age. What have you do with me?
Put up on your guard, can you know yourself?
What me a do? Look out for me. You girl. You don't say you
Girl,
have to
come
me.
on.
And me a beg woman, me tell her this. You see next time,
Just
don't
like
come
you
on no road. Come and look for me. Me no like a girl. Me no like a friend. Me no Felicia. You understand? Me a big woman.
You don't big woman. You
Man, no, you talk.
just 18.
Hello, me a 18, me a big woman, and me call myself big woman, me a big one. You gonna do about that? Man, take a foot and lick in your face. Come on, your company that look for me for.
Come on.
Where look for me for the road for me last?
You don't know set on the funny road.
Nobody don't want me for read.
I eat that.
They don't go read. Nobody don't want me.
So come on.
Me not read day. I felt
Come
you see
on.
when I go look for Felicia, I didn't tell them more for when I left out here that night time. Go look for Felicia, me tell them go read. And you they go read. Come here, I call look for me like me last. Me last.
Why? All we can do is hope and pray then come better than, you know, and more sins than makeup.
Me
Why?
love my niece, you know. Me love my niece. Me love my daughter. Me love swan and grow up, come
Yeah,
up and
man.
come be something good in a real life.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. I
Yeah,
mean,
man.
like problem.
No.
I
So we
like
me
that.
cause plenty problem growing up. So why me hope say come and not come back from me?
No, come on, just
Really,
pray.
if you just come and come good and you know, do better than me. Would I love that? Would I love that? That's why
You see, when your hand clean, and your heart pure, and you trust God and believe in a God, just continue pray and see your answer. Not a
every
karma.
day.
All you do, you don't have to constantly keep on doing what you was doing when you was much younger. Just
Yeah,
try to
maybe
change your
woman
lifestyle.
now.
And everything will good.
Mm.
You understand?
We just want them to come for the best for them, you know? We don't want them to have to go through the same heartache and bullshit we have to go through, especially me with our witness body.
Sis, you know, so the other day me I go to the road, and I get him on the way I came. Me hearing them make some kind of talking. Yeah, boy, your daughter.
What kind of talking?
You not really see me. Me I tell you something, but me know say you not gonna believe
What
me.
kind of talking?
Me know say true one time before you and him did them. Me make it clear. Remember say one time before you and him before you and him end up.
Me remember.
They together.
Mm-hmm.
Me did like it first.
Mm-hmm.
And me did want it.
Mm-hmm. But we think
But
so which
when
one that
Missy
will come
say-
me get him.
Yeah, when Missy say no, you and him getting together, you realize we keep off. Me no bother try to put myself in it because if you're my sister, and you're doing one man, you don't want it how we are keeping
No,
Come here,
no.
family rap. No.
No.
Eh-eh.
Me appreciate love that.
Listen, me glad say you and him end up there because I kind of want good man in a one kind of way, you know. But me not liking dirty style. Me no want go judge him wrongfully and don't get me wrong. Me and my mix one talking out a role.
But
Riri.
with what? Him not even mind her. Him not know how she eats. Him not know how him not even send her for school or nothing. And me have to battle with anything. What him can't open him dirty mouth and I talk about for me picnic up.
No, listen, me come like, you see, to this kind of talking, I never see me, you know, it come like me hear my call. Some name close to Riri name, they say, I let my look, somebody named Riri, or man, somebody named Riri there. Few man me talk, me not sure, cause me name want stand up there, for them to make me up, me just want.
What in my church chip but him on a daughter?
No, listen.
I the one me there with no.
You don't understand.
Me not understand.
You never see your baby father.
Oh.
You not get your nails. Look how far you gone now. You never
No, man, me not understand what you talk about. When you talk about, when you talk one dirty man, then you talk my man.
No, I know your baby
man.
father, me they tell me talk dirty drunk where we are keep where they with.
When do know?
When me did like, and me and him name, but I end up there together, cause you and him when get in. I know where they go on between him and Riri. So argument they were terrible. They never hear results. I don't really want. You know?
So a woman in a talk about? A woman in really out the street a talk about?
Still say, I come in a one
or
taxi.
me pick me, which
no,
one?
Listen, I come in a one taxi, the taxi, stop at one place and then later somebody and me see man some other man where I ain't friend them, turn up a chat. Never hear when you say so good, but it sound like I say, my niece, and him in a signal, I don't know. I don't know. Me I go try and prove it first. Me no know. Me no
That's what me not like with you, no, sis. Cherry me now. We say we have put water under the plate. That's what me not like with you, no.
No, me no want to say something. Me not sure about
and you just tell me say you not hear properly, then you carry go bring come to me.
No, listen.
Mine, you know.
No, me
like, and then look how we not talk about the past, eh? And you have to come in and bring in feelings.
No.
And then come with story.
Listen, no,
mine, you know.
Listen when me I say. You know, you when you say so good, but if I don't lie me they tell, it's so like him and Riri and something. But me I go find out first.
Look where your mind.
No, me I go find out first and make sure.
You should have find out first before you come to me with this foolishness.
Oh, me would have find out. Them must say I don't
You sure say, you really want me here? You sure say I don't run you and try run me with this foolishness? Remember, see, me know, see, you did like him, you know. Me know, see, you did love him. Mine, you know. And I call me picking. Where your mind really
going? Mr. Run for the pipe, yeah? Yeah?
Why am I there?
She there?
Why am I there? Why am I there?
Hello. What you say, I do?
Me I'll fix the pipe, you know, call me tell the pipe. I'll fix to make sure you have the money. Come on, go buy a drink of rum.
Alright.
And that dirty dog you call for fix pipes, sis? You really couldn't call nobody better to fix a pipe. That couldn't even fix him on a pipe. Where may have to leave that?
Me couldn't get nobody to fix it, that's fine.
No, John love me.
Look here.
He not love me.
Johnny, they say all when drink rum are the best plumber in the community. And they tell you.
Him can't even fix him on a pipe.
No, listen.
And that
you don't know him like that.
What you mean I know him like that? I him breed me.
Him a rumhead.
Me know him more than anybody know him.
No, him a rumhead,
really,
but I tell us that he good for plumbing work.
Spirit, man.
You know what? Hoteling go work, come on, schooling go fix pipe and things.
The whole of the place that you couldn't find a better plumber.
Well, I tell us, me not tell no lie, sister.
And him have to really bring.
What me not busy with you know?
From him coming, from his same face, man, he just cross his
spirit. Me not busy with you know well no one in, and me just know say I'm a good plumber and me get things to fix it, and me know you can fix it.
How much you charge you?
Yeah?
How much you charge you?
You know what I'm saying?
Too much. Anyway, me don't know, you know, I just this little piece I left, so, you know me I say now. 5 grams with the work, you know.
You need to find first one.
We have to go hold our drink.
Alright. Okay, no problem.
Me out
go hold a drink?
No.
What about money for a picnic? Huh?
Oh, man.
Riri have to go school. She have to go school. She have to go get books. She have to get clothes. Right now, she go on the street with her mouth dry.
How much time she
So
want to
hear what, sis? Give me the 5 grand here.
Huh?
Give me the 5 grand, cause from what not? He might drink rum and he not supporting Pickney, you know. He feels saying Pickney and live on ear, you know.
Who?
So hear what, sis? In front of the dirty dog. Give me the money.
Oh, me a call dirty dog?
Yes, and you may have called dirty dog. When last you mind the Pickney? When last you mind the Pickney?
Last few months ago.
Sit down.
Few months ago.
Alright.
Few months ago. So she feel dead for hungry then.
Yeah.
That means she not to eat nothing for months. She not to, shut up your mouth. She not to drink nothing for months. You see what we have to deal with? Sis, pay me the money. Not give him one thing. He not deserve
No,
it. You hear what I'm gonna do? Rum. Him Pickney have to eat. Him Pickney have to drink. Him Pickney have to go to school. Him Pickney have to wear clothes. Rum?
Alright, here you know.
Pay me the money. Here, pay me the money. Do.
Hold
You're
on.
my sister.
I'm here, you walkie.
You're my sister.
I'm here, you walkie.
Hold on. Me I go give you
Thank you, sis.
$10,000
Yes.
for you and Riri, cause I'm a niece. But you see, true, me put him down work. Me
You have to check it, imaginal.
No, you can't fix it good.
I bet Nancy
You see,
in
one
here.
time you did keep up the foolishness and you did gone. The pipe did burst and him did come fix it. In the bathroom and I needed face lacing this so and he do it good. So I know say,
So how much time you can fix?
this is going to be the third time because sometimes people...
In how long, sis?
Long, man. Sometimes you see when it's sun get crystallized.
Long, 3 times, 3 job, no money. Give me the 15
No, when
grand.
the sun get
3 drop, 15 grand.
listen.
Never mind me, you know. Him Pickney, him baby girl that him call him princess. Huh?
No, listen.
How much
Yes,
time
when
you
the
work
sun-
for you and not give nothing? You're worthless. You're a worthless drunkard. Give me the money, sis.
Wait,
Give
hold
me
on.
the money.
Alright,
Put
Eric,
it in a Riri hand. Now put the 5 grand in a my hand. Put the 5 grand in a Riri hand. In Pickney hand.
No, listen. Me understand.
Oh,
Me
dog.
understand.
I get money and not give Riri nothing.
Me understand.
Huh?
Then kind of something where father no want mind picking. I me understand the grief when I...
got your walk.
But listen, you know,
Now mind the fitness.
you see when the sun penetrate in the plastic pipe then, it get crystallized. So the tangic get loose. So me have to call him all the while because
Yes, call him, make him walk, make him walk.
enough him
And give me to give Riri the money. Cause he can't call me no thief. Hey Riri.
No.
If they name go run with a call your Pickney right now, make she come collect the money. And what you gonna
But
do?
he can call police for me so me put him for work and me not pay him. So you
Then put the money in his business
Alright,
part, in them Pickney hand.
Alright,
Put it in my hand,
let me
sis.
give you
Put
10 grand.
Mhm.
For you and Riri. Here is my sister and Riri is my niece.
Right.
And me give the work man in 5 grand when you work and deserve
Right.
it. You're not supposed to
Oh,
worry.
my 5 grand.
Of course.
No, me I go give you 10 grand.
Come here, I forgot to take him to court now. Him have
No.
money and him
Alright.
not
Yeah,
supporting
man.
Pickney.
Good thing.
Alright,
A 3 grand a week. Can't be money.
You bringing him to court, me no business with you. But you see me put him for one job, me responsible to pay him. So, here what me I go do? Me I go give him the 5 grand and give you, watch out, fall over here some money then drop. Me
What,
but
sis?
here. Anyway.
He not forget nothing.
Alright.
He not deserve it. A rum bar and him Pickney a starve and a suffer.
Here, listen. You see this?
Oh, crap.
$5,000 you fit take all day. Go downtown, which part you see Gully Master, they say you see some man stand up there, change money. You go get $15,000 with this. So please me they beg you, take your $5,000.
Not give him, you
And
not
care
see him come back.
No, yeah,
A
let's
rum
come
bar in gone. What try him out of water for the rum?
Yeah, let's come back. So you see $10,000 we left out there? I want if you give my sister, so she can take you and buy
Make me not get it.
TRD.
Make me not get it.
Okay.
Make me not get
$5
it.
don't fix everything.
Everything done.
Alright,
Yeah.
check.
Check
you very
it.
much.
Pay my teeth. Check it. A rum bar in my run go.
That you agree. It's why we have to put him out.
I threw me in your house, man. I shut him a box, you know.
Alright.
That's
You
why we have to
know,
put
see
him out.
how my hand war race.
Hold on.
You know, see how my hand war
You know how
race.
work.
Let me answer one question. Why you don't want mind your daughter?
No.
A rum
You
bar.
mind the data. I could have $500 a year. What you
When?
want to give?
When
much money.
When last
Alright.
you put money in a Riri? And
Never
never mind
mind.
me. When last you see your picnic? Cause your picnic no go run bar. If she not go run bar, you not see her.
About 3 months since me in the work. And me get a little walk. The moment me get a little walk and come in here, she check out and you have to pay me for the 3 months that you make.
Then no most.
And your baby mother with you are not no long.
Hey!
So the little money when me make, me go pay her back 3 months. Me tell her, I say,
You pay a run bar though.
you
You pay a run
3
bar.
months I didn't work for, right?
You know work 3 months.
Right. I'm get a little
And you
work.
get one little work with one little money.
Right. I'm
And
reaching.
you're reaching.
She want
She want money.
I'm a call for man.
You want the 3 month money all time.
How much money have you get?
Not even,
Where's that?
we get about
You know work,
14,000.
let me repeat myself. I tell me first ago. You know work for 3 months.
Right.
Where you get one little work.
And we get
And
14,800. She want the 3 months money out of that.
I think you have no money for 3 months.
Not a thing.
Yeah, open your hand.
Not a thing. Open your hand and give me
Open your
sister
hand.
back her money. It's two teeth.
You're not gonna get it.
Let me tell you, sis.
Alright,
No.
remember, go to, now I'm here.
No man, go on. Cause if you wanna work for 3 months, and then you get one work and get $14,800 and your baby mother asks if you want money out of it, you not give her none.
No, me give her 4,800, but she
Yes,
wants
you're
a whole
in
3
lie.
months.
Yes,
She
you're
wants a whole
in
3
lie.
Oh,
months.
so you give your money out
Which
there?
money, sis?
Oh, taking money
Which money?
there.
Not give no money. Which money you give me, sis? He just tell you say he not give me nothing.
No.
He not give
I
me
give
read
her
not a thing.
4,800.
In your head.
And the 10,000 me go down a Marvet shop and me pay Marvet 5,000.
Okay.
And the other 5,000 me drink it, but me don't know where the rest go.
Oh.
You
Oh, so
liar,
change that and
dog.
right where they give money out there.
Gotta see you.
$10,000.
Gotta watch you.
Remember, if you back $10,000.
My gotta watch you.
You see you?
That
Alright,
done.
continue to go on, so.
I
Alright,
dead money
later.
that, sis.
Later.
I dead money
Yeah,
that.
later.
I just hope so the 10,000 you get with me and Riri, no, you know that. I dead money that. A rum bar ain't gone, you know, see your mouth.
Hello.
Water
Hello.
come out of your mouth.
Sis, you name Shanian and me name Cherry Mean and not play with me. Nobody can rap with me money.
Hey.
Rumbar, you find out. You think me and you?
Him even tell you say a rum bar, my go. You know, you
That's when
say
you change it with the $5,000 now with the 10 left.
money
Hey,
gone.
you know, I'm
Me
going
just
to go
hope
there,
that
so
person we
you're
still get with 10,000. I mean, I know how it's a go.
Oh, oh.
We are because of your two girl.
Girl, remember red brown with your pure red dirt, they know the number for ya.
Oh.
Girl, I said, come get me a song to tell you
Oh,
about it. Your father
Yeah.
and your little dirty cousin,
Mm-hmm.
they nothing, sir. I go up the road and I spot them.
Yeah, girl.
And your papa, him, I take money, gear.
Mm?
What do you need to fix the pipe over there?
Yeah.
Me see my wheel out some $1,000. You say me count? No, Jamaican, you say me count? Me pass 10. You know me can't really count good, so me did half.
Fling up.
Why?
You're
You need to watch them, yeah? Cause you understand. You see your father? You sneak him? You see one cherry?
Cherry sneak him bad. That's why me not catch them right where yet.
Girl, you never go catch them right way if you keep on and watch them. You have to do it unexpected. So what?
Me there, and only me say I can walk for you because I'm tired in the yard.
Oh, well, a long time I want to tell you that goodie. You
Yeah.
see them more than one
Me glad you
time.
tell me.
At first, when I say my name to believe nothing, you know.
Eh.
What do you mean?
Cuz,
Girl, later.
Alright, later.
how do I? How do she? How do she make she bend up her face? So how do I?
Me not too know how do I.
I don't know what do I. Now your friend, now you're not top to start talk.
You don't live on that one roof.
But we don't know what do I. You're not talk and she a kiss it and me not good this man who left out her yard.
Somebody hurt her feelings.
How hurt her feeling?
Boy.
Me tell her, say no man no want her, you know.
Man, know you?
Me tell her, of course man want me.
What do I with?
What you mean?
Look how you tall. What man I would do with you now?
Me go find one tall man.
Tall man nah look tall, man.
You know me don't like you, Trish.
Cherry, me first never like you.
Every time I come to have a peaceful conversation with you, you ever want bully me. You ever want bully me? I mean, don't want you bully me.
Yeah, they look no cast.
They don't cast. Me eye them big, you can't feel bad about it. Me I can say, what did the girl you can't tell me, boy, no man no want me.
You know, say me think say Riri mother, your mother. Like they stop in the hospital. Go on. You don't know what do all.
Oh, you know what the Riri a friend girl?
Yeah, Riri not live on that one roof. A period better you lock your big guy them and find the way get yard. You know like me and me not like you every day just a shine up in me so. No sir.
What me ever do? Me I take somebody for you?
You couldn't take nobody for me and say it taller than me later.
More lick a girl in her face. When you find them, you go lick a little short, kuno mono girl in her face because she not have manners.
So Shami, Riri, what you really have to talk to me about? Pull me aside.
You know what I said? Between me and you, you bring father and Cherry day. But I'm not fire, money.
You come in here to tell me this foolishness, say your father and my niece. Where you get that from?
See yesterday, when he come to come fix the pipe, you want to see them, give him money, and then that our house say, and them I said it hold me money for a long time.
Your father, your dirty pooper,
Yes, man.
give your cousin money?
Yes.
And then they give you nothing?
No, give me nothing.
You sure?
I'm not telling no lie. Why mother them make up them stop me, yeah?
Give Cherry money?
Mommy, come here, cannot hear me and say. Yes, mommy, he give Cherry money. Amount of money he give Cherry, and then when he talk to him and he must say no money, he have money. But I feel just give Cherry because him and Cherry are thought in a business, mommy.
No, me can't believe. Me not say me no believe you know, but me can't believe. Cherry! Cherry oi! Cherry! She not come. Go call her for me.
Alright.
Come here to straighten this out. That not sound right to me.
Cherry!
Something wrong.
Let me call you.
How you forgive her money? Send her money. You still that you don't have money and I make her say no money, you know. No, him have money. Cherry, come quick, man. We need to talk to you. Fast. Come back and say what you just said. Tell her what you just said.
You and I talk, mommy, no mix meal. You never eat, mommy, me never want any mix up. Just tell her something. You tell her where here on the road. No matter on the road like them. Me no know nothing.
You.
No matter on the road you hear about him.
You and her dirty. You see her dirty papa yesterday? You see papa yesterday?
You remember, auntie?
You know, remember? Oh, me hear say. Remember say hear say, me hear say. So me I double check with you first. Me hear say. Our dirty chigga foot papa gave him yesterday. Gave him money yesterday. You see him? So how me hear saying give you money yesterday?
Maybe don't give me money.
When you got on the road, what did you do? Who you did say?
But that's nobody but myself on the road.
You didn't see nobody papa not give you no money.
No, but if I give him after me, I'm not in a business. I'm not want him. When the film that what I really want to do with him in my life.
You sure?
Yeah.
Come here, you know. Me hear things from the road. Me hear things from the road. Say, you and him a stand up and a chat and him a hand over what's the money to you.
No, I don't know about that. Mommy?
Mine ya play innocent
Mommy?
and...
She's gonna tell like Mama Riri. Behind me, I'm back on me. Girl, me don't know nothing. I don't me. You know me, I go, better you go to your sister about this year. Before I read Friday, I'll go to read. What's trouble? Me not know. Mommy call me and tell me, say, she hear. Sometimes mommy say, me hear too, mommy. Me hear, say. What I hear?
Me call you.
Why you here?
Me call you or you call me in here and tell me say you have something to tell.
Yeah.
Nobody mix me up, baby. Don't mix me
Mommy,
up.
you want mix me now, mommy?
You call me in and tell me say you have something to tell.
Yes, I'm here from the wall. When I'm friend them tell me, say that you say, my cousin and my father in a business. I mean, like, tell them, say, nothing like that. So yesterday, me go pan when me and you alone, you go pan the room. Yeah. So, oh, you like hear it and me don't hear that. I don't hear because you them I talk about. We don't know about that. I'm telling my friends that I don't know nothing about that.
No.
I mean, I want you.
Yeah. Carrie, go bring crumb hash up me and your mother for years we not talk and just I come back in. So me now make Carrie go bring come, mash up me and my daughter and me and my family once we get back together. So me I gotta talk to Cherry about this cause something not sound right. Something not sound right. And
Yeah.
you say yes, you say no. And I don't know who to leave. We gonna get to the bottom of it before it get out of hand.
Yeah.
Alright.
Me tell, mommy, I don't know what happened. I only know say, somebody picked me for the road and tell me, say that you say, you and my father in a business and I said to somebody. You know that little liar. You're that little liar, they want me about you. You, Riri. You. I'm a liar. Because you will tell me something you tell your mother. Yeah, tell me something. Yeah, they on the road, Riri. Who they on the road to see me and your papa more than you did there yesterday? And you know, say, but tell the truth, you chat too much. Me chat too much. Who tell your mama? Who tell your mama? And me tell mommy did just a while ago. Me tell her, me say, mommy, me here step on the road yesterday. After when me go on the road and we come back and me go back on the road to one of my friend them. What she tell me say, she say you and my father are turn up a talk and I need your money. And that me tell mommy. But fuck, I want your back. And your partner don't give me no money because me have no business. You understand what I say? I want me hear me I tell mommy. Let me see you do move front of me. Because you chat too much. They gonna come to your mouth. And you know somebody tell you something, you're gonna come to me and about your money, it's about me, you can't to me. It matter. I them are the bigger one. You're not big. So me don't talk to kids. I say me talk to old people because they not ears old, them deaf, they won't understand. Oh God. I don't know, man.
Yes, sir.
Who send me some money to the door, God? Excuse me. Man, excuse me, me walk go about my business. Can you remember when me did that on the road you said to me? Me figure look walk.
Yeah, you have to look walk still what me like you, you know. Tell them I like you. You're looking fabulous, man. Can't go a bar, go have a drink, you know. No matter mind the clothes there, you know. It still look good.
I'll hold at the back part and it look good.
You hood can go through there, you know worry about that.
Back part?
No, not the back part, but backers.
Oh.
You know the backers mission there? The real hardcore backers.
How long you can go?
How long we can go?
Go.
Go? Oh Lord, how long can you keep up? I'm the referee,
Your foot don't look like them I go feel you less than a second. Anyways, get to the point. What you attack me for?
Oh. That me talk to her. Me hear say somebody a grown a call up my name.
Oh.
Say me a mind people. We not mind.
Oh.
Why my name a call up?
Why ask me?
Because you know people business around here.
Oh.
Who else could I know people business? Huh?
Bush and wall.
Me go over my ex. And his sister yard. Go fix the pipe me.
Fix the pipe alone?
Huh?
Yeah, you see you go fix the pipe. Me ask me fix the pipe alone.
No, really, me squeeze little money get cherry.
Oh! You squeeze money get cherry. Where you get cherry money for? Them the money there. Where you get woman in you and them have in a something in a car. There is no man on this earth.
So you know what
I take up money. So much money, you know, little girl. You see you?
A cherry call me, you know. Say, in cousin and his mother debate about money and this and that.
Oh, that mean if you tell Cherry say to hide the money good.
You,
Anyways,
if you a call up my name, you know, trying to make me have a buck, you know. You hear me say?
me hear you.
Trying to make me have a buck in the wrong way. Alright. If I ever buck in the wrong way, that even if I then can't find when I done accident out right out to the ground.
I chat alone, you can chat. Cause, you see me now? If me a call your name, I call it Big and Bull. You see it?
Okay. Call me gamble.
Why? I think she asleep. Cherry Nina. Sis, wake up. You alright? Me did tell you, about that man, Me tell you about that crab foot man me took up. Him bring back the change. Him bring back any money. Him not bring back no money. Me not see him. Me not get nothing. Yes.
Okay.
You give him the money the other day. You give him the money for the change. Him not bring back nothing. Him not giving nothing for Riri. Yes. The money you give him for go shop and come back and give you back the change.
Oh,
Him not and Riri forget money. Him not give nothing a rum bar in there.
so he not give you the money?
No. I mean, no, him not carry the change back to me to tell you, man.
No,
Oh,
listen,
Croft, that,
Me did call him and ask him for money and him say, me not to worry myself thing that give you.
Alright.
So he not give it. He not give it.
And that me I try to tell you. In Ghana, run back and drop down like one of you all idiots. I bet you if you check the old pipe not fix good neither. I'm drunk at that, me I tell you. That's what me tell you if you put the money in my hand. I'm full of fat like Christmas turkey. Can't deal with him, The whole of the money in take Ghana rum bar. And piss up the wall. Sure. Me they are hungry right now and me hungry me not right,
Can't call him and me not get him.
You're not gonna get him. You're not going to get him. Insist you a call.
Listen.
Yeah.
You hearing me? I
Yeah.
call him and me not get him. So why you not answer his phone?
Cause him don't have your money, him spunk your money, sis. Me just try to tell you. Me try to tell you.
Let me left for a message from you. Listen to me. You see if I idiot you take me for? You're not gonna like it. You and my sister in a phone a little tengerengi. Me no business about it one. You hear me? I tell you. Me put you on one work, you charge me $5,000. Me give you 100 US until if you change it and care about the 10,000. How much do you pass and me no see? You care about the change. Me call you and ask you say why you never care about the money come. You tell me say you did busy. So me tell you say to give me sister when you see her. I know me I go hear one new story say you, they are run bar and you don't know the money you don't give her. Listen, me tell you something.
Make a carry picking the money come.
You see, as soon as I get a message here, make sure I say forward with the money same time. Because me no want you, me no want me and you feel no argument. And me no want you in no argument with my sister. You understand what I say? Just nobody give her care, come give me will give her. Because it come like a problem, you all. All me I try to avoid the impact, this and that with you.
You can't avoid it, sis. I'll croft that. A thief that.
Me say me.
Sis, and you're idiot too, You're idiot. Come in and try for one,
Listen for line me later. Me say me.
Me believe you, me see it.
You're not hearing?
Me believe you, me see it a play. Me see it a play.
You see me.
You go get the man rum money to all of your own and knees there, they're hungry. Like how me make some miserable,
Let me answer one question. I know him.
It wouldn't be him, can not answer.
Let me ask you one question. How will you sleep on your baby father make you vomit that they dirty foot boy they breed you?
You know how me did my mind is simple for sweet talk, alright? In sweet talk, the pants off of my foot. One joke and him breed me. Me not lucky, you know? Me not lucky, sis.
not tell no lie.
One joke and him breed me.
That the one they wear they did. You bet you did make him breed. The one I did like for a long time. But he end up like you. You better come in and tell him like he will work and he will give you things. Me no know how you make this a dirty foot man a breed then a rum it. Wait, hold on, where am I?
Hold on, sis.
In a bar?
Something funny, something fishy. Every minute we are talk about the old Croft. You are bringing
no,
him.
but I don't nothing but me say if you wait make that the one they get you pregnant. Either better you need and then
So I agree you wanted him to breed you.
No, my love.
Every minute you bring him in an argument. Every minute you bring him in an argument to come fry my brain, you know. And we not even talk about that.
Then decide that we make breeders.
Me not say my idiot, but every minute you call him name, we never talk him.
Charmaine?
You never have to bring Goofy in this, you know.
Charmaine, don't get it.
Never have to bring Goofy in this.
No, but he better somebody than your baby father. I don't lie. He better you make him breed you. I don't lie. At least you need them and struggle here. I'm swear saying you did give him the money if you go change and tell him to take 5,000 and
yeah, idiot.
And
they don't tell you what the man is like, he? When you're not here, him fix my pipe. But what kind of pipe him fix for you, so?
Him always come fix it 3 times, he pull out back. 3 nice one. Yes, and he crystallize, so them easily pull. So him always fix it for you. But me not tell you like that, the one day where they keep. The one day. Him would have take care of it. Yeah, like that's something bad me say. Me say for the one that did get you pregnant. You need them are struggling, quarreling, and man who your money you just want to go family court. Of course he not take care of it.
He would have take care of me, yes.
He not take care of you. And he not take care of you.
You mean I'm kind of suspicious, you know. Because all we not talk Goofy, I bring him up.
Because him I want good somebody, that's why I didn't like him. But me sorry saying him did
mine you still like him?
No, me like him, yes, because him my brother-in-law. That no means I want him still. You and him done.
You sure?
Me sure.
You sure you not do something to him?
You know, get what me I say. You could have ever want him still and they tell us that you better didn't make him breed you. This one me I say, good, you know, get it. If him did get you pregnant and him did be your baby father for real, the only of them are struggling with this a remedy. You know, get it.
Me get it. You have to understand, sis. For true, everything come down upon me, one.
You're stressed out over Romed, man.
You're stressed out because him now look after him picnic.
And we are stressed for. Because
the picnic hungry.
But
the picnic hungry and mouth dry. And me appreciate of everything you do for me, you know. But sis, check it. I know your job. I know you lay with me and breed me. And that go cross his cruff. Trigger for pissing to your dirty boy. Me lay with. That's and all. Him for pay. You have Cherry to deal with. And you still a help with.
Yeah, me know.
Huh? Huh? And he make me mad, man. So you have to go mind me when me I talk. For me head shit night, you know. Cherry I call the wrong name. Tell me say she hungry, eh? We in town the other day, and she tell me say she hungry, she want KFC. You know, somebody have to cut me eye after the KFC. Have my belly a run, tell me have cut me eye after it, sick like him. I mean, also that dirty crosses having money and not bring it back.
Charmaine, when I did meet the man where you make get you pregnant, when you say your baby father, where you used to cuss me about one time. How you did meeting? You never drink from no bar you meeting in a. Remember where
look
you tell
how
me
long that is.
Remember where you tell me
look how long that so is. Look how me change. It's supposed to grow up by now, man. A picnic we have together. We're not picnic with ourselves no more, you know. We were kids when we meet. Alright, the one joke. I'm a good breed. And he promised me, you know. That's what hurt me, you know. He promised me, so I'm not gonna look after her, you know.
Well, that means tell me first time.
Which part? No, what you talk about in a sis.
Because that's you tell me so when you just meet him, you did use protection. You never tell me now, say, I just say one time, and then,
me use protection.
Wait, the verse?
He pull it out.
Yeah.
Him put it in.
So you're not
And
no
when
feeling.
the time come, him pull it out.
So you
And through the train run fast, a little bit slipping.
So
Him pull it out.
you not no
Between
feeling.
you and, no,
You know the
between you and
difference
me.
between
Between you and me,
when
you hold
clothes
it
they
up
on
on my
people
belly.
body from when they take off, when they're naked.
What you chat say?
You don't understand. You don't know the difference, the feelings. When somebody have on clothes, from when they not have on no clothes.
See,
What do you
I
mean
chat
they take off it? You don't understand what I mean?
And you not understand.
Okay.
Me use all-time protection. Can you tell me say he no like rubbers, him allergic, yeah? So when we do it thing,
So, when we do
it thing, before him go, oh, him pull it out. Once I take up on my belly, a belly rub that. I just do a little pass to the train, scoops past and get in. Must take up on my belly,
This thing is
sis.
getting real deep and I don't want to go too far in.
All-time protection we use. It just miss. Here.
Which one of the protection then you all-time protection?
You don't know about timing, sis. You older than me. You don't know about timing.
Look here.
What you think our ancestors do?
Hello, listen. If me one 99-year-old older than you, me not feel know everything what you know.
Alright. But we do that. That is what is called all-time protection. That is what is called all-time protection.
I don't condom they use.
What we ancestors used before condom?
How they used to use? Me don't.
Them pull out, baby girl. Sis, a pull out in him. Yeah? You have to just, alright, very teaching. You have to time it right. You see, when their face start turn ugly, and when they start do the ugly ass face,
so
you know for pull out.
So, let me ask you a question. You never see face get ugly. You know, see if skip and slide and do dandy shandy and cock up a tail.
To be honest, sis, between you and me and the walls, the comfort, you see, when him get ugly, that the time he get uglier, the thing sweet him in our life.
This week,
oh God. Anyhow, he could have given sweet like that. Sweet like that. It would have been.
You see how sweetness turn out to sourness now, watch it. You remember? And look how you can cuss him like that.
In my dog. In my dog. All dogs have good points.
I can't forgive him sometime, man. But me not tell a lie now. You cuss him, man, about give your money. You know, say if you go look for it, though.
Of course, if I look for it, but him for...
But him alone can't...
How you think Riri gets so big? Eh? I'm not dead at 2, 3, 4, 5. I want me to work. I'm not do squat. You see from him, train run.
I don't know, say my room already for a long time. No, you're
supposed to change, man. Him have picnic, me change. Me not jump out a window no more.
You get to it and you can't tell me.
Get responsible
when
now.
you love in a real life, what is your hobby? Film hobby is to drink rum. What's your hobby be? Where be? Where your hobby?
Me live life. Me live life. I laugh. Laugh for my hobby. And I say, how me love. You know, say, I was skinny teeth. Me love for laugh.
So, when you do sneak in my bar, do you skin at it?
Me skin my teeth, me skin my phone, me skin everything. And I say, then tell you, say, me did young and fool.
So you have sense now?
Of course you have sense, so man, I must have sense, so me already speak me.
What do that look like?
Me have sense, so I have to dip on the old crosses back for the money.
Anyway,
have
let me
money.
tell you something. Yes, since as you know, say I have money in my room, it's your baby father. You need to call him one side and talk to him and make him know say it is time now for him to change his lifestyle and the two want to come together and know how now go sustain the child.
In there, out there. Because insist and outsist, me have to go start shut up some.
No, listen.
In our world.
Just use this one in there and have it meet, you know, just trick him and things. Say, okay, I'm a family court, because I know him a long time. He don't like hear about police.
Then he will me do that plenty time. He's a friend of a police station.
Oh.
Him a super big friend.
But not every police are the same thing.
All of them corrupt.
No. It's not every police corrupt. You have corrupting cop and you have good cop. You have cop where do they work professional, and you have cop where do it unprofessional. You can't mix up everybody at the same. Every man a dog? No.
Every man a dog.
Every woman a work.
Every man a dog. Every man a dog. Cause from them get their ugly face. All them want to their ugly face, you know. Them see woman and they want their ugly face. If you not feel so, you eat.
No, tap it. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's not every man a dog. Don't do it.
Which man you know a dog?
And what if a man out there a good man?
Which man you can name a dog?
Two you know buck up on
Which man you can educate me and a dog?
A lot of them.
Which one?
Only for them.
Ah, you can't
Actually,
name
you're not
one.
them type.
You can't
The
name
good
one,
one them.
sis.
No, your type is Romed. You can't mix up
You're
two good
older
man.
than
No.
me and you big woman to me and you can't name
Yeah.
one man that is not a dog.
Me
It's
can't
all
see you
man
from
a
that
dog.
life.
No call
Say,
God name in
only
this.
for good man out a road.
But then
And because
them
you're them
I'm
type.
just in another earth.
Actually, you're not them type.
So
no.
how you can't name
You're
one?
my sister. But me not fi name them
So
out
you
to you.
name them
It's
in
a lot of,
sis.
no, you can't tell me say every man in the world a dog. And every woman a whore. No. You have real good.
You have good woman and you have good
You
man.
see,
But you
you
see
not
when it comes
listen
to
to me. That's why
sex,
you always have
and
to
man a
quarrel.
dog. Which man I gonna keep it in them pants?
You that classify every woman as whore? No.
All the way want sex and all the way want something. Whether it's sex for money, sex for dinner, all man have to pay. Whether them come
Yes,
so
sure.
and give you
No.
the money, you not have
Listen,
to whore, you not
You're
for
straying
whore
from the
and take
argument.
money.
You are straying away
I threw
from
me
the
away.
argument.
I
Listen.
threw me away.
You're straying from it. From what I said to you. You're straying from it. You need to listen, my sister. Listen. It's not every woman a whore. And so I would never speak about men like that. Say every man a dog. No.
But you can't name one
No,
that
you
is
have
not a
good
dog,
man
so
out
you
there.
can't win.
No, well, see, when you have good man out there, you have good woman out
Yes,
there.
but you see
And
when
you
it comes
have-
to this,
no.
man a dog, them can't keep it in them pants.
You don't understand. See when you have some woman out there where man would look and say no good woman that. I see when some of the man them no good. But you can't tell me say everybody is the same. You have real good woman out there and you have good man out there too. You can't they put everybody as the same thing. No, everybody different. You have good, bad, and the indifferent. You cannot say that. That is not right. Well, they are sister, but we know they found that they idiot. So, see there? The network man out a door and make nice and fix up the place and me want pay money to go fix the bathroom and you're in there for
Yeah, fix the bathroom that does
No,
not
but
but I
it's
paying
good. No, me done. Me did one. No, sleep one. Going back to your room. Because me did that.
Right. Well, you have to go make me know if you reply to your message, sis. Because either we reply to your message or I'm gonna deal with him.
One run in your room.
Oh.
Yeah, make me last. Much sleep.
Last, you in a
Me-
dreamland.
me
You
want
in a
to sleep,
dreamland,
you know,
but
because-
all man another. You in a dreamland, sis.
I can't believe you say you're full cool and tan. That no. Oh, you think class every man has the same thing. You idiot. No, you can't idiot, yeah, man.
Ask you one more time, yeah, how much?
Me a 18, daddy.
So what that means?
But that for me no big.
Yes, you could go look work.
Jeez, am I a man that? Him got money?
Yes.
And look, sir.
So if you have money, you go dress like you have money.
Any man me dead and he have money, you have to dress good. Look up your man and a
I only a haul at just so. You hear me I say?
where me no halat.
Then
Yeah, daddy. Yeah. So we put on decent clothes and enough for anyone.
that's how you be dress every morning when you're going on the road, whether you go to the beach, whether you go to the shop, you must look elegant. Now you're a lady.
You know that you talk, yes, so. You talk this, so. Talk this, Anna. Thank you, thank you.
Benjamin, be too away. Hello.
Taking up him, right?
We can't manage him, so I'm not taking him up.
Tracy in this, right? Bam. When he's done with you, juke out your rag, plumb you, dig you, water you, belly come, pick the band, take the road.
No. If you don't repeat that, we go against another man.
Okay, no, look out.
We are going to be.
No.
What you do with the man? What you do with my man? What you do with my man?
Run.
Put it on, me have bad up my man. Put it on.
I love you.
Your man.
No, me have bad up your man. Put it on, me have bad up your man. No, your man. Me say, put it on.
We man. Why you always the same man? You have to say too.
I will stay up on the compound because they can have sex in the bathroom. Some of them are either have sex in the bathroom. Back in the days when we used to go to school, that happened. You see our teacher, some of the teachers them are mingle on the spitting them too. You see, especially the coach. You see the running team them, the coach them are
know lie you tell her no.
This is totally disrespect. I saw no babe we on neighbor and make them have everything about to know if it's
Who?
why you always beat her? Who is a woman beater?
No, we work hard.
So why you choose to deal with them kind of man here? One bulla and one bag juice and you eat and drink it to yourself and remember say I'm here you live under my roof today.
Go to your piece.
And you me I think about you're ungrateful enough.
Come on, your piece.
You go give me a piece. Give me. Give me. Nyami. Nyami and full your belly. You're too crave me. Eat it. Chew your mouth. Chew quick. Quick and fast. Chew it.
You gonna cook? You gonna cook?
What you do?
How are you?
What you do yourself?
How are you?
I'm the mother of this killer boy. What you think you do? Kick her one more time. Kick her one more time. Kick her again now. Kick her. Kick her. Me say kick her.
No, man.
Kick her now.
Regular window. I
Auntie? What? Auntie, what? Put it on. Me have big news to tell you. Put it on. Remember that go for the woman already said me no come there time for she. Cause she love beg to you. But me I tell you say you won't believe what I go for mommy and. The man a beat him. Me go see the man a give him song. Kick, thump, box everything.
Melody has a car.
Oh, what's wrong with her?
I like her look sad. She looks scary.
But then I mean, I'm kind of lonely, you know. You know, that's my complaint talk to you sometimes to do a year or two.
Hi, girl.
Yeah.
Girl, name me, I call him.
No.
Me don't get there, but my friend one man, girl.
Yeah, jeez, please don't tell me say I want broke man go pan go pick up.
No, a contractor.
Oh.
You have you look at the money, girl. And I look at her, so she's not really bad. She's nice and cute, so. Yeah.
I'm with the phone, me not here.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, hold on there a minute. What you ask me on me?
Yeah, in a spot, I saw my hustle, you try excuse. Come, you come.
So, mama, really
Go
right
on,
for
sir.
your hustle?
Then, you know, so me look where things say me, I go look work. You know, see this?
Mama, let me tell you something. You better
How
look work.
How?
You're too young for around your body. You have to look work. You have to come there because right now, the mercy of God, they come.
The mercy of God against you. Listen to
Just
me.
what go on in the sky over America.
Why go on the sky for America? But the America, me
This is what
Jamaica.
Elon must do.
Me busy what him want do.
And me, my daughter, anytime, man. But it's the next time I see the sun hot, wait till the sun cool in the air.
Yeah.
Because I don't want black holes. I don't drink more, but what's up with me? I light up my weed.
Me now all that's in a car pass, so we not to worry. Yeah, the fire one with that.
You look a nice, cute baby.
Excuse me. Me no want baby.
So yeah, what then?
Baby is different. Baby is when I wear pampers and child when I wear clothes.
Oh look, man, you see.
Eat yucky and
That not up to do with me. This nah shatter, man. The duff cat not the rightest, so.
Check out the card.
Look at
The people yard, you're out of that card.
horse. If me
Come out. Look, come out.
you must free up your
Mind my eye. Mind my eye. Take him out here, cause you do too much.
Man, you see?
I'm taking your church right now.
So she a big man, she force my pussy?
Where you come from?
Daddy, I try to shut up. Can I know what you say?
What? Get church
But she bright. Are you shut up to her? What this? But tell her, say, Penny a big woman. Watch him.
Try to shut up.
How we a talk?
The devil confess.
Man, I do whole heap of something. I just lick a bit of man, me. Me say, me can't go obey a man. Man, I do whole heap of something.
Me backside. Wait.
How are you?
I'm a tidy man.
Which man?
I'm a tidy man.
Which man that? Shoppy.
Yeah, dude.
You rough, me boy. Oh, rough. You ever think to go and see you early morning go take a shower?
You see, me always think about that still.
He shop this stock. No, see, they shop lock up. Me tell you if you look across it, girl.
Bro, I'm just coming back, bro. Didn't you get my message?
Do I have my phone on me?
Man, you keep rolling like some waste, man.
So anyway, cut long story short. You know bring back no money.
No. Don't even go there. I said,
come back, my friend.
Okay.
Come and see what you're
Hey. Stand up there, so. Breathe easy. I say your mother do it. Where you do on road, them a day?
I never have no school, how much money never done.
What? So all of my money, they want me to work and send come my yard. And where your mother do with it?
No, you forgot to ask her that.
Me, I forgot to ask her that.
Bring for me.
Don't worry about that. What you do on the road? Watch ya.
What is all that?
Oh.
My father they do ya.
Oh.
Ask him.
Oh.
Wait.
I see where you get the dirty water from. I say you live down here.
So how me feel live?
How are them a batty peg, batty rider sitting here, them here, you know?
left much years now. You don't talk much.
You still live like a ghetto girl down here?
You have to. Don't come by me, you know.
So all of my money when me a send come give you. Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. All of my money when me a send come give you.
I don't come from.
You not do nothing good with it.
And what?
You not teach me that nonsense.
Oh, you so sure?
And watch ya. You put on all tattoo on your bony skin.
So you
can't put on one.
Hey, come up and talk to your father. Don't unite with me.
Anyways, you say me can come with half, right? So see half, you know.
What?
What? Do what with it?
What's that? Mama?
Yes, sir, me can come with half. Me come with half. Why problem?
Mama, reach half it, Mama.
You never tell me half how much me fi come with.
Mama.
You just say half.
Mama. That can't save nobody.
You never tell me what you charge me.
Come with 1,000 more of that. But you say this you know, they can buy one juice.
You say you love me.
Love.
You pay for all of them tattoo we are having.
Rate. No. When you love, what is love?
Love is when I love somebody even if they're
You
broke.
love me?
Yeah.
So give me money.
Somebody love you if you give money.
Then I must.
I first never hear this in my life. Mama, let me ask you a question.
Brother, don't broke me.
You feel when me dey party at night time. You can't pay me for that.
What that have to do?
You know how much energy me have to pump in you to you feel good. You can't pay me for that.
To teach you everything about life.
Yeah.
Listen, all these dirty behaviors, you gotta change it. Look at me. I'm talking to you, bro. This is not no jokes or no going around bushes business, okay?
Right.
What's wrong? What you doing out here?
Just chilling, you know?
Okay, check it. That's the reason why when I step at the airport, the first thing I buy is a lock. I know your style. Tell me that one more time again. Tell me that one more time again. I can't believe you grow up. You really grow up. Eh? Some left a worm down here and now me look on a big cockroach. Eh? What kind of legs you just show? Your cockroach you show legs. You want to show legs?
What man come a cockroach?
So the dirty boy them panic on the lane. The kind of boy